this side too. Okay, this is going along pretty well so far. Now if it's a little bit stubborn going in, a slight tap will help, but be careful not to bang too hard because you have the curved part of the chair out here and it could easily fracture if you start whacking it. So now we've got all these spindles glued up. We're ready to do the front assembly, and we're just going to repeat the process. Now these can really screw you up if you don't know exactly where your label is. That's why this labeling is so important again. This is the left front. This is the right front. These are the two spindles that go in the front. We're going to do the same thing to these we did to the others.